In this tutorial, we'll address the issue of being unable to queue for matchmaking in Dota 2 by resolving it as an administrator. Before delving into the video, remember to hit the like button. It's advisable to watch the video once before attempting the solutions. The initial solution involves adjusting Dota 2's compatibility settings. Open Steam, right-click on Dota 2, go to Manage, and click Browse Local Files. Navigate to the game bin and Win64 folders. Locate the Dota 2 file, right-click, and open Properties. Click on Compatibility. Then change settings for all users. Uncheck Run this program as an administrator. Run the program as an admin first if already unchecked. And then uncheck it again. Click Apply and OK. So repeat the process to ensure it remains unchecked. Now, check if the issue is resolved. If not, proceed to the second solution. Don't forget to like the video if you haven't already. The second solution involves verifying game files. Right-click on Dota 2, click Browse Local Files, and navigate to the game folder. Right-click on the bin folder, change its name to Binold, and recreate the bin folder. Right-click on the game, open Properties, click on Install Files, and then verify. This may take some time due to the game's size. Once verified, check if the bin folder has been recreated. This concludes the video. I hope one of these solutions resolves your problem. If it helps, don't forget to like the video and consider subscribing for more content. Take care and see you in the next video.